Hey, what's up, sneakerheads? Welcome back to Superb Unboxing. Today we are get a fresh unboxing of the Air Jordan 1 high performance sneaker that bringing some stable tones and bold accents. Stay tuned. We are deep dive into the iconic sneaker. And remember, all the information and the link of these kicks can be found in my video description below. Let's get started with music vibe unboxing. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press this bell icon for latest video update.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here.